Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to place for tech tips and troubleshooting. Today we're tackling a common but frustrating issue, a USB device not being recognized by a computer, and how to restore a corrupted USB device to its default settings, whether you're trying to access important files or just trying to use your favorite gadgets. This problem can be a real headache. But don't worry, I've got several solutions for you to try. So let's dive in. Before we start, it's crucial to back up any data you can access from the USB on another device, if possible. Now let's get to the fixes. First, let's go through some basic checks. Try plugging the USB device into a different port or another computer. This step helps determine if the problem is with the USB device itself or your computer's USB ports. Also, check if the USB device appears in the device manager under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. If it's there but has a yellow exclamation mark, there's a device issue. Speaking of drivers, let's move on to updating or reinstalling them. Go to the device manager, find your USB device, right click on it and choose update driver. If that doesn't work, you can try uninstalling the device from here, then disconnect and reconnect it so Windows reinstalls the drivers automatically. Windows has a built-in USB troubleshooter that can automatically fix some common issues. You can download it from the official Microsoft website, run it, and follow the prompts to let it diagnose and solve the problem. If your USB device is still not recognized or if it's recognized but corrupted, it might be time to restore to its default settings. This process will erase all data, so be sure it's your last resort. To restore your USB drive to default settings, we'll format it. Open this PC, right-click on your USB drive and select Format. Choose NTFS or FAT32 on the file system, depending on your needs. Then check the Quick Format option and click Start. Remember, this will erase all data on the drive. If you can't format the USB drive normally, use Disk Management. Right-click on the Start menu, select Disk Management. Find your USB drive, right-click on it and choose Format. This is another way to wipe the drive and start fresh. Those steps should cover most scenarios where a USB device isn't recognized or needs to be restored to its default settings. If you're still having trouble, the USB drive might be physically damaged and it could be time for a new one. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.